Windows Rowlett, Texas, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow windows styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bow Windows experts in Rowlett, Texas, provide comprehensive bow windows consultation services to help you select the perfect design and materials for your project. Energy-efficient bow windows in Rowlett are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow Windows contractors in Rowlett can provide detailed bow windows quotes to help you understand the potential savings and benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient options. Custom bow windows in Rowlett, Texas, allow homeowners to create a personalized look that complements their home's existing design. Bow windows customization options include various materials, finishes, and hardware to ensure a perfect fit for your space. Bow Windows design experts in Rowlett can guide you through the customization process, ensuring that your new windows meet your aesthetic and functional needs. Bow Windows repair services in Rowlett are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular Bow Windows maintenance can prevent common issues such as drafts, leaks, and operational difficulties. Bow Windows repair experts in Rowlett, Texas, offer prompt and reliable services to address any problems and keep your windows in top condition. Affordable Bow Windows Rowlett, TX, provide a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and appearance. Bow Windows cost can vary based on materials, size, and design, but local contractors offer competitive pricing and financing options to fit any budget. Bow Windows solutions in Rowlett ensure that you receive the best value for your investment. Bow Windows replacement in Rowlett, Texas is an excellent option for those looking to upgrade their home's appearance and energy efficiency. Bow Windows upgrades in Rowlett, TX can transform your living space, providing increased natural light and improved views. Bow Windows contractors in Rowlett offer professional installation services to ensure a seamless and hassle-free experience. Bow Windows materials in Rowlett, TX include a range of options such as wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits and aesthetics. Bow Windows durability is a key consideration, and selecting the right materials can ensure long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Bow Windows features in Rowlett include advanced locking systems, weather-resistant finishes, and customizable configurations. Bow Windows aesthetics in Rowlett, TX play a significant role in enhancing your home's overall appearance. The elegant curves and expansive glass panels of Bow Windows create a stunning focal point that adds character and charm to any property. Bow Windows trends in Rowlett, Texas continue to evolve, with homeowners seeking innovative designs and features that reflect their personal style. Bow Windows Rowlett is a crucial aspect of their appeal, offering increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. The Bow Windows installation process in Rowlett is designed to ensure optimal performance and longevity, with skilled contractors handling every aspect of the project. Bow Windows options in Rowlett, TX provide flexibility in design and functionality, allowing homeowners to create a space that meets their unique needs. Bow Windows consultation in Rowlett, Texas is an essential step in the decision-making process, providing valuable insights and recommendations from experienced professionals. Bow Windows quotes in Rowlett offer a detailed breakdown of costs and options, helping you make an informed decision. Bow Windows solutions in Rowlett are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner, ensuring a successful and satisfying outcome.